Hi, and welcome to 4309 Loma Riviera Court in beautiful San Diego, California. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhome packs a mighty punch. The beautiful remodeled kitchen features granite counters and stainless steel appliances, and both bathrooms have been completely remodeled. Features include hardwood floors, dual-pane windows and doors, central heat, a large walk-in pantry, a full-size private laundry room, and 2 off-street covered parking spots. Enjoy coffee on your very private enclosed patio or barbecue with friends and family. The sun-drenched bedrooms have new carpet, vaulted wood beam ceilings, and the master has a large walk-in closet. Loma Riviera is a well-maintained Spanish-style complex in the coveted Ocean Beach Point Loma neighborhood of San Diego. It was built during an era when everything was done generously. Well-manicured grassy areas, plus trees and beautiful landscaping make this feel like a private residence. There is a large clubhouse, a sparkling pool, and entertainment areas that can be rented out for events. It is blocks to the beach, the dog park and dog beach, has easy freeway access, shopping nearby, and is also close to restaurants and nightlife. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. If you love beach living and you want a spacious turnkey home, what are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.